Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with a Fabfitfun unboxing. For those of you that don't know about Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription and you pay $49.99 for every box. They send it to you every 3 months, so you get this box 3 months throughout the year. No. So you get this box So you get this box 4 times a year, and each time it's pretty much themed for every season that they're sending it for. So this is going to be our summer box. No, September. So this is going to be our fall box. So everything that we get in here should be more or less themed for the fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening it up so you guys can see. And with this box we get a little bit of everything. They do seasonal, they do not seasonal, well, yes, everything's seasonal, but they do lifestyle, they do beauty, they do hair care, skin care. They do all kinds of stuff in your box. You can also get jewelry. They have so many things that they can put in this box. So that's one of the reasons why I really like it, because it's always different. So this is the inside of the box. And I took this one out already. You always get a little magazine where they give you all the information of the products that are in the box. You do have the option of customizing your box. So they give you all the information of all the products that you could possibly have chosen to put in your box. Or for those of you that don't get to choose for those of you that don't have the option to customize your box, you also get to see what the perks are and to see the different items that you could have chosen from. So I'm just gonna go right in and I'm gonna grab the first thing that I see, and it is from Evita. It is a damage remedy daily hair repair. And this is what our little bottle looks like. It's supposed to be, I guess, a mask, and it says daily. It says instant visible repair for and protects from heat styling. It's coming. I didn't notice it. Usually, wait, why did I open it like this? Okay, so I wasn't paying attention. I unscrewed the lid. I don't know why. I unscrewed the lid when it has one of these. I mean, I can say it smells really good. It has a nice soft scent. So you're supposed to just comb a small amount through your hair, and then you just leave it and you style as you normally would. So that is our first product. Not bad, because I do use a lot of heat in my hair. Let's grab this one up next. Ooh, looks like it's green inside. This is a body boost gel by Skin Vault, and it says this is a gel stimulant. It's supposed to help you tone, firm, and smooth. It's a pre-workout activator. Okay, so that is what our packaging looks like. So this is, I guess, something that you're just supposed to apply before any workout. Apply to troubled areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in small circular motions, and let the tingling begin. I think this was one of the ones that I chose from the items that the customizable items. This is the one that I chose from the other ones, just because it sounded pretty interesting. I do have troubled areas, especially like my inner thighs or my little muffin top area. Those are areas that I would like a little bit more help with when I'm working out. So I'm super excited to see if that one will do anything for those areas. I'll grab this one. Oh, this is a lot bigger than what I expected it to be. These are detox pads, and they are complexion perfecting pads with alpha beta hydroxy what were these supposed to do? I forgot. It says gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and evening to improve skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. So I think this is just to help like brighten and just pretty much help with your skin all over. I'll look a little bit. I'll look at the magazine for a little bit more information, but these are from Naseev MD Dermaceuticals. This is what our packaging looks like. Let me see what the pads themselves look like. So just get rid of that. And then it comes with another little thing here. They smell like, I don't know what they smell like. They almost like cucumber, and they're just thin little pads that I guess you'll use to wipe your skin. But like I said, I'll wait to get to the magazine to get a little bit more information on these. So this is item number 3 from our box. And these I was super excited for. These are earrings that I chose for my box. They're supposed to be what are they called? They're Thera ear crawlers. So this is what one of the earrings look like. It's a small little earring made out of different rhinestones, and I hope they stay in place. Let me put it on so I can show you guys what it should look like. Okay, so once you put them on, and I can't make it stay. I don't know if maybe when I put the little back piece on it, I don't know if it'll stay a little bit better, but these are supposed to stay like this a lot so they can go up your ear. That's why they're called crawlers, because they're just supposed to go up like the edge of your earlobe, and they're supposed to stay there. I don't know if once I put the little back piece on, like if they'll stay a little bit better, but that's pretty much the idea of what these are supposed to look like. I think they're super cute, and I don't have a pair of earrings that look like this, so I was super excited that I was able to choose this one for my box. Now I just hope that they actually stay. So I'm gonna pull this one out so we can keep going with our box. So I'll go ahead and grab this one. Okay, so this one here, it's Juice Cleanse, and it is an exfoliating sugar cubes from Harper Ari. This is what it looks like. I think I saw a sneak peek of the box, and when I saw these, I thought this was actually candy. They look like little candy squares. Oh, they smell really good. They smell like green apple. They smell like candy. Oh, it makes me want to eat them. Oh, they smell like candy. So those are our little cubes. I'm not exactly sure how you use these. Let me see here. It says, take a single cube with you in the shower or in the bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. So I guess you just rub directly with the cube, and with the water, obviously it'll eventually start melting away and dissolving, but I guess you're just supposed to go in and directly onto your skin and then just scrub away. They smell so good. They smell like candy. It makes me want to eat them, but you probably shouldn't. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, this is a big body lotion. So this is a body souffle from Human Plus Kind or Human and Kind. Skincare with coincidence? Conscience. Not coincidence. Conscience. So this is what our packaging looks like. Super cute, and this is actually pretty big. This is 6.76 fluid ounces, and it is for your body. Let's see what it smells like. Those sugar cubes smell really, really good. I hope this smells just as good. And oh, this smells like candy too. Ooh, I think I got too much, but It smells really, really good. It feels really light, but also very moisturizing. It almost feels like a gel. It feels really, really good. And during the winter, since winter is just around the corner, my skin does tend to get really, really dry. So this one will definitely come in handy. Let's see. Up next. Okay, with this next one, I got an option when I got the option to customize my box. There was an option between this scarf, another item, and a teeth whitening little kit. I did not choose this one. So I am not sure why I got a scarf. I actually chose the teeth whitening kit. I didn't get no email. I don't know if they ran out of that whitening kit. I don't know what happened, but I personally did not choose this scarf just because I have a lot of scarves. It is a really, really nice scarf. It's really, really soft, but I did not choose this one. This one here, it's a Plush, Always Stay Warm and Stylish, Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf from Plush Apparel. This is what this looks like. I'm not even gonna take it out of this packaging thing, just because I might actually give this one to somebody, and you know, it looks a whole lot better like this in the packaging. But I will show you a picture in our little magazine so you guys can see what it looks like. It is really, really cute. It's something that I would definitely wear, but like I said, I already have a lot of scarves, a lot of winter things, and I live in LA. I hardly get to use them. So the last thing that I wanted was another scarf, and that's exactly why I chose that teeth whitening kit. But for whatever reason, they didn't send it to me. So that's a minus for the box. But I mean, everything else that we've been getting so far are things that I have chosen myself from my box. So, you know, we can move on. We are down to the last thing from our box. And it is this one here from Skin & Co. It is the Truffle Therapy Essential Oil Face Toner. This is what it looks like. We received, was it for our summer box? I think it might have been for our summer box. We received a face mist. And I tried using that one, but it didn't really work well with my skin. It made me break out. So I had to pass that one on to my sister because I know she would be able to use it a whole lot more than I can. But I wanted to give this face toner a try because it is a little bit different than the face mist. And I'm hoping it really, really works for my skin. So those were the items for the box. Now let's go into the magazine and see what the retail value is for all of these. Okay, so for the first item that I'm gonna, start with, I'm just gonna go in the order that they are here in the pages. So this scarf, the retail value for this is $75. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but up here in this corner, you can see the little whitening kit that should have came in my box because it's the one that I chose, to customize, that they didn't give me. And that one, retail value for that was $89.99. It was a little bit more expensive, but if I chose it and they gave me the option, I think that they should have given it to me. I don't know why they didn't. Then up next, we have the little face pads. And these retail value is $45. And this one, it's supposed to, oh, yes. So now I remember why I got these as part of my box, because it says it's supposed to deep clean, exfoliate, and firm your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. So that is the reason why I got these pads here. And like I said, retail value is $45. Then up next, our little earrings. Our little crawlers here. Retail value for these are $34. So these are actually pretty pricey. For what they are, I mean, they are super cute. So that's the reason why I got them in my box. Then up next, we have our Skin Evolve Body Boost Gel. Retail value for this one is $45. So I really hope this one works. Then okay, and then these here are items that everybody got. I think the sugar cubes or the sugar scrub, the Evita, and the body souffle, everybody got. And then when it came down to the toner or the Wonder eye patches, it just kind of varied depending on, you know, the member. So for these here, the Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes and juice cleanse, this retails for $16. And then our body souffle from Human and Kind, this retails for $18. And then our very last item from Evita, it is a retail value of $30. Okay, so let me add these up really quick, and I'll be back to give you the I'll be back to give you the retail value for the whole box. Okay, so after adding up all the prices for the items that I got, my total came out to $293. Not the highest that it has been, but I mean, keep in mind that we only paid $50, $49.99 for the box, which is not bad. I'm pretty happy with the items that I've got. Like I mentioned, they were all going to be fall related themed, which were the lotion, the scarf, and you know, that's where those things come in, because with the cold, your skin starts getting a little bit more dry. But I'm pretty happy with what I got, aside from, you know, not getting the whitening kit that I chose. I'm still okay because I know I can gift that to anybody else. And let me know what you guys think down below. Has that ever happened to you guys where you customize an item and you don't get it? This is the very first time that it happens to me, and I'm very disappointed at that because I would have loved an email or something. But you know what? It is what it is. I know they have like a lot of different members, and this is the first time that they ever mess up with anything with me. But you know, we can all move on. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of my box, what you guys got in yours. And that is all for me for today. I will be back with another video soon, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.